The Battle of Offers, Understanding a Bidding War. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into a fascinating phrase that you might have heard in the context of buying a house, auctioning a piece of art, or even in corporate takeovers. Bidding war. We'll explore what this phrase means, where you might encounter it, and how to use it in a sentence. So, if you've ever wondered about this competitive phrase, stay tuned. A bidding war refers to a situation where two or more parties repeatedly outbid each other. This escalates the price and intensity of the competition. It's like a tug of war but with offers instead of ropes. This term is often used in real estate and auctions but can also apply to any scenario where an item or service is in high demand and limited supply. Bidding wars often occur in hot markets, where there are more buyers than sellers. For instance, in real estate, when a home is listed for sale and several buyers are interested, they may each put in higher and higher offers to secure the property, resulting in a bidding war. The impact of a bidding war can be significant. For sellers, it means getting more than the asking price for their item. For buyers, though, it can mean paying a lot more than they initially planned. It's important to know your limits before entering a bidding war to avoid overcommitting financially. Let's put our phrase into action. Here are a few examples of how to use bidding war in a sentence. The estate agent said we need to move quickly because there's a bidding war for the house we liked. I got caught in a bidding war on that vintage car and ended up paying twice what I budgeted. The startup became the center of a bidding war between two tech giants. There you have it. You now understand what a bidding war is, when it might happen, and the effects it can have. Next time you hear about a bidding war in the news or experience one yourself, you'll be well equipped with the knowledge to navigate the conversation. Thanks for watching, and I hope this video has been helpful. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more English language tips. See you next time.